Hello, good morning. I am Ashish Kumar. Welcomes you back in class 4th Mathematics, Math Magic. We are doing the NCERT solutions for the chapter 1 Building with Bricks. This is the third part of our video. Let's start. We have seen in our previous video these jali patterns. So, question 16 is about what is this? Isn't the jali of this window beautiful? Is it is made of thin bricks. Have you ever seen thin bricks? Look around. So there are various type of bricks. Some of thin, some of thick, some of large, some of small. So the size of bricks is different as we need. For the jali, we use thin bricks. Now, the answer would be the jali of the window is very beautiful. Yes, I have seen thin bricks. These bricks are used in Red Fort situated in Delhi. Actually, in forts, not only in Red Fort, in more or less every fort, every old fort, there are thin bricks. They are used thin bricks. And also Raisen Fort, but the condition of this fort is not very good. Many of walls are demolished. Question number 17 is, which of these bricks have curved edges? So, बात की जा रही है कर्व्ड एजेस की. तो हम देखेंगे this one have curved edge, this one have curved edge, except these two. None of the bricks has curved edge. Okay, so we can write here the brick 1 and brick 2 from the top left. Top left, yeah, this one left. 1 and 2 have curved edges in the given figure. You can also circle these. And right here, the circled bricks have curved edges. You can also write this type. The question number 18 is, how many faces do you see of the longest brick? The longest brick in the figure is this one. How many faces you can see? 1. Exactly one face you can see clearly. So only one face of the longest brick can be seen in the given figure. Question number 19. And you, if you have, you can see this face also. You can write here only two face of the longest faces of the longest brick can be seen in the given figure. Question number 19. Is there any brick Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? So, I have told you that a brick has 6 faces. So, there is no any brick that contains more than 6 faces. Okay, so it cannot be possible because the maximum faces a cuboid has is 6. So we have to write here no, there is no brick, since brick is a cuboid, so there is no brick with more than 6 faces in the given figure. Have you seen bricks of different size? Take one brick and measure it. So what you have to do, you have to do some measurement. You have to do some measurement. You take a brick and measure its length, its breadth, its height. Okay, and write here down. So basically, in general, the length of brick is 10 inches, and the breadth, the wideness of brick is 4.5 inches, and how high it is. Height of a brick is 3 inches. Now, question number 21 is Munia wants to make a wall. Munia wants to make a wall of 1 meter long. How many bricks she need to put in a line? Since I said one brick is about 10 inches. 10 inches. Okay. This one 10 inches in length. So, she wants to make a wall of 1 meter long. So, 10 inches, then 10 inches, then 10 inches, then 10 inches. 40 inches. How many inches become 10 inches, 10 inches, 10 inches. Add them all. This is 40. In 1 meter, 1 meter, there are how many inches are there in 1 meter? Actually, Actually, 100 centimeter. You have studied in your previous class that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. And about 36 inch is equal to about 40 inches is equal to 1 meter. So 40 inches can make 1 meter. So she needs 4 bricks to make a wall of 1 meter long. Okay. Now, question number 22 is, you got the previous question. 40 inches is equal to 1 meter. So since one brick is 10 inches, so second become 20, with third it become 30, with fourth it become 40. So how many bricks are required? She needs 4 bricks. Can you guess how high is the chimney here? Can you guess how high is the chimney here? About 5 meter, about 15 meter, about 50 meter. The chimney of a brickyard is, I think, it is very high. It is higher than a tree near that. So it is about 50 meter. It is about 50 meter. The chimney is about 50 meter high in the given figure. Now, here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. From the brick kiln, these pictures are jumbled. Brick kiln, actually, we called brick kiln the place where bricks are made. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully. Write the correct order. I have sent a video how to make bricks. So you have know what is the process of making bricks. First of all, they prepare clay. Then like this, they are with a dough, they are putting it in a box, a frame box that makes the shape of brick. Then put it down, and then this. So actually this is C, D, B, A. The correct order is C, D, B, A. That is C, D, B, and A. Now, the question number 14 is, have you seen a brick kiln? Did you try to guess the number of bricks kept there? Okay. अगर तुमने ब्रिक किन देखा है जाकर, जहाँ पर जो है क्या है, ब्रिक्स बनते हैं, अगर देखा है देन राइट हेयर यस. अगर नहीं देखा है राइट हेयर नो. Did you try to guess the number of bricks kept there? So अगर देखा है तो तुम क्या गैस कर सकते हो कि हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ ब्रिक्स आर देयर? ओके, इफ यस तो राइट यस, आई सॉ अ brick kiln. There may be more than 1 lakh bricks kept in a brick kiln. बहुत ही ज्यादा, more than 1 lakh bricks are kept. Okay, now question number 25. Can you write the number of number 1 lakh? 1 lakh, actually 1 lakh contains 5 zeros. We have to count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This is 1 lakh. Okay, so we can write it as 1 lakh in numbers. 26. Question number 26. Look at these photos and guess how many bricks are carried by this truck, and also find out from a truck driver how many bricks they can carry in one truck. तो बेसिकली ट्रक ड्राइवर से तो पूछने अभी जा नहीं सकते हम, लेकिन गैस कर सकते हैं. एक्चुअली इन अ ट्रक ही कैन कैरी 4000. एक ट्रक में कितने ब्रिक्स ले जाता है? 4000. ओके. अब बात आती है मेंटल मैथ की. मेंटल मैथ भैया, भजन 22 ब्रिक्स. ये भजन है जो क्या करता है? ब्रिक्स खरीदता है. ओके. भजन वेंट टू बाई ब्रिक्स. द प्राइस वाज गिवन फॉर 1000 ब्रिक्स. तो वो ब्रिक खरीदने के लिए कहाँ गया? ब्रिक-इन गया, और वहां पर जो प्राइस थी ब्रिक की वो थी पर 1000. ओके, पर 1000, बिकॉज जो ब्रिक केन है वहाँ 1000 के हिसाब से ही मिलते हैं, कि 5000 के रुपीस के 1000 ब्रिक्स, इस तरह से. अच्छा, तो हम देखते हैं द प्राइसेस वर आल्सो डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ब्रिक्स. यस, अलग अलग तरह की जो ब्रिक्स हैं उनके अलग अलग प्राइस होते हैं. सबसे अच्छे वाले जो ब्रिक्स हैं वो सबसे महंगे होते हैं, फिर जो थोड़े टेढ़े होते हैं वो सस्ते होते हैं. इस तरह से ब्रिक्स के प्राइस अलग अलग होते हैं हर तरह की ब्रिक के. तो भजन जहाँ गया है वहाँ पर ओल्ड ब्रिक्स अगर तुम्हें चाहिए, पुराने, देन 1200 रुपीज फॉर 1000 ब्रिक्स. 1000 ब्रिक्स तुम्हें चाहिए, देन यू हैव टू पे 1200 रुपीज. ओके. द सेकंड वन इज न्यू ब्रिक्स फ्रॉम इंटापुर. इंटापुर से न्यू ब्रिक्स वो लाएगा, देन इट कास्ट 1800, 1800 फॉर 1000 bricks. एंड फ्रॉम ब्रिकाबाद, ब्रिकाबाद से वो लेके आएगा ब्रिक्स, न्यू ब्रिक्स, देन इट कास्ट 2000 फॉर 1000 bricks. क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं. भजन डिसाइडेड टू बाई द न्यू ब्रिक्स फ्रॉम ब्रिकाबाद. ही बॉट 3000 bricks. हाउ मच डिड ही पे? ओके, चलो लेट्स सॉल्व इट. Since the rate for Brikabad is 2000 rupees for 1000 bricks. Okay, so for, and he bought 3000. How many he bought? 3000. 1200, then 2000, 1000, 2000 प्राइस है. 2000 के इसका डबल, क्योंकि इसको डबल किया है हमने तो इसको भी डबल कर लेते हैं. 2 2 जा 4, 4000 है ना. 2000 ब्रिक्स चाहिए तो 4000 पे करना पड़ेगा. अब देखो, हमें चाहिए कितना? 3000. कितने टाइम चाहिए? 3 टाइम. 3 टाइम चाहिए. कितना चाहिए? 3 टाइम. ओके, तो 1000 ब्रिक्स को 3 टाइम चाहिए, तो प्राइस भी 3 टाइम हो जाएंगे. प्राइस थे 2000, 2000 भी 3 टाइम हो जाएगा. ओके, और 2 3 जा 6, 6000 हो गया. 6000 रुपीज फॉर 3000 bricks. ओके, क्या किया है बेसिकली, बहुत ही आसान था है, 1000 then 2000 rupees, 1000 bricks then 2000 rupees, and we have to buy 3000 bricks, we have to buy 3000 bricks. अब 1000 ब्रिक्स थी, 3000 ब्रिक्स करना है, क्या करेंगे, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई मतलब 3 टाइम, क्योंकि ब्रिक्स को 3 टाइम किया है तो जो उसकी कास्ट है, जो प्राइस है, वो भी 3 टाइम्स हो जाएगी, तो इसको भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, दोनों को कर दिया, वी गॉट 6000 rupees for 3000 bricks. So we have to write here, Bhajan has to pay 6000 for 3000 bricks. Now guess what he will pay if buys 500 old bricks. 500 old bricks. तो ओल्ड ब्रिक्स का रेट क्या था, चलो देखते हैं एक बार। ओल्ड ब्रिक्स मिलती हैं 1200 की 1000, 1200 की 1000, ओके। तो रुपीज 1200 फॉर 1000 bricks. नाउ करना क्या है, हमें परचेज करने हैं 500, 1000 नहीं करने, कितने करने हैं, 500। तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हाफ कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, हाफ कर रहे हैं 500 ब्रिक्स, हाफ कर दिया तो ये भी हाफ हो जाएगा, 1200 का हाफ क्या हो जाएगा, 12 का हाफ होता है 6, तो 600 हो जाएगा, दिस वन इज 600, तो 600 rupees for 500 bricks. So we can write here, Bhajan pays 600 if he buys 500 old bricks. So I hope you got it. This is the end of our video. Thank you.